Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your power steering fluid with a turkey baster. It's very simple, and it might take you a couple of changes, a couple times of running it and changing it again, and running it and changing it again to get it all out throughout the system, but it works great. So first thing you want to do is make sure your engine is cooled off, and that's your power steering reservoir. Take your cap off of it. Get you a turkey baster from the dollar store, a cup to catch it in. That's what we got here. Now let's just go ahead and suck some of this out. And that's the stuff that's coming out of mine. And it's best to do this ever so often. I ain't never done it to this. This car's got 160,000 miles on it. And it looks like shit. Yeah. Somebody had too much Taco Bell. Let's go ahead and keep draining all we can get out of this and fill it up and drain some more. And I'm trying to improve the power steering on this because I think my pump's going out, but it could be the fluid, and the fluid's the cheapest thing to change at the moment, so we'll try it. So now we got the reservoir completely drained. We're going to take a power steering fluid. Depending on your car, you need to use the stuff that's made for your car. This Mitsubishi Endeavor uses a power steering fluid that's pretty much normal for Asian vehicles. So you want to make sure you use the right stuff. Should tell you in your owner's manual. So let's go ahead and top this back off. This Endeavor, to fully fill the system, it says 1.3 quarts. So I might need a couple of these to put through it. Whoa, I'm full. Now I'm going to put my cap back on, start it, and work my wheels. And I'm going to drain some more out of it and try to get most of this out of the system. And eventually we have clear fluid. Cause look at that stuff. Ish. Y'all see that? So I turned the wheel after I filled this up. And as you can see, it's dirty again. As I said, it's going to take you a few times of doing this to get all the fluid clean. So let's go ahead, and you can see no change in color, but after a few times doing this, you will see a drastic change of color, and you will have it. But if it saves your power steering pump, it saves you from having to change it, so it can save you some cash. Let's go ahead and top this back off. And you can see what color it's supposed to be. Definitely not the color we got. I'm gonna put my cap back on it, start it up, and work the wheel a couple more times, drain it, and do a couple more quarts of this. And so I've been pretty well flushing this out with Peak. I got it emptied out again. It's the fluid is getting pretty clear now. The pump is hushing. I'm going to use this Wool Purple full synthetic oil. It's Max Easy, and it's for Honda cars too. So if it's good for Honda, it should be good for your Mitsubishi. I always double check, but I run it and ain't never had no trouble out of it. I just use that other stuff to clean it out with. That way, the Wool Purple's kind of got a purple tint to it. If you see here when I pour it in. And you can't hardly tell when it's clean. The other stuff that we used, you can tell pretty well when your fluid is fully flushed out. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this with Wool Purple. I got enough here to clean it one more time with the Wool Purple. And then top it off. And that's what we're going to do. And then we should be good. So let's go ahead and top this back off, and then turn the steering wheel some more. So if you heard my Endeavor in any of the running videos, the pump would constantly whine when it was running. And now that we cleaned the fluid, it's actually hushed. Yet it's still got a little bit of a whine when you cut your wheels extremely deep, but that might go away the more we drive it. All in all, I'm very pleased with it. Once you get your fluid changed, you go ahead and put your cap back on it, and you can clean up anything you spilled. We cleaned this up with just some brake cleaner once I put my cap on it. As you can see, it looks brand new. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment. I enjoy hearing from everyone. You can show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. And I always try to upload daily content, so check back every day. Might be a new video on something you might enjoy, you might find helpful, who knows. Thanks for watching.